When creating a task in PDM, you might not be able to select a computer to execute it. This is because you have not given a computer permission to run the task. Just open Task Host Configurator. Put a checkmark on SOLIDWORKS Task Add-in. You are now able to select your computer on the list. In order to remove a computer from the list, simply remove the checkmark from the permission in Task Host Configurator.